So I'm so excited kasi first time ko mag-Sapporo and I'm doing it with my Cebu Pacific family. We're lucky to be the first few to experience a direct flight to Hokkaido and Sapporo. Hello Georgers, it's me, it's Jeremy, and welcome to another travel adventure. And hindi pa rin natutuloy yung luto natin, but this year nararamdaman ko magsimula natin magluto. In line with that, sa mga dahil mahilig ako magluto ng Japanese food, I-connect na lang. Puro tayong Japan. Ayan. So, yun na nga, nasabi ko kanina, Sapporo tayo. And kasama natin si... Hi! So, ito yung work trip ko na international na naisama ko siya. Ayun. So, nasama ko na siya before. Saan yun? Domestic? El Nido kami before. Ito yung first na nasama ko siya na work trip. I know this is gonna be a blast since kasama natin ang Travel Warehouse Inc. and ang Cebu Pacific family natin. Let's go! Simula na po. Pagko-content. Nagko-contentan na tayo. Mag-contentan tayo. What's up, Sapporo, guys? Grabe. Ito yung negative one. Ayan. So let's see what's in store for us. I'm really excited because this is one of my favorite countries. Food-wise, culture-wise. So it would be nice to explore this region. So we have landed and safely arrived here in Chitose Airport here in Sapporo. Sobrang efficient, binibigay na agad yung sa bus pa lang.
Ganun dapat. Yung may gold standard.
Wow. Welcome to Sapporo, guys. Ang lamig, -7. Pero matibay naman ako sa lamig, thank God. So, kaya natin to. Let's go dinner muna. Let's go to the fam. Sapporo Virgins no more.
Virgin no more.
Thanks.
So we're in Restaurant Plaza here in Sapporo. We're in Miyanomori.
Sapporo beer from Sapporo.
So nag-try kami na isang bar dito sa Sapporo. It's a muscle bar. Para papanood ko sa TikTok. Meron pala dito. Sapporo Muscle Bar. Yan yung menu nila. So for 30 minutes, 1,500 yen. Pati yung yakap may bayad.
Ayan po.
Yan ang menu. Anong order mo?
You are not menu.
Yeah. Masuk.
Cheers. Sampai.
We're ready.
And I'm not
So that was our muscle bar experience here in Sapporo.
Hey. Muscle.
Yeah.
We're waiting for you. Thank you.
Alright, so on to the next one. Saan tayo, Jai?
Sa Adonis.
Asaya lang, grabe. First Sapporo and already day 1 pa lang, parang sobrang memorable na ng mga nangyayari. One for the books.
Yung massage.
Yung massage?
You want?
Massage? What?
Hindi mo yan
How much? 2,000?
You massage.
Oh, you.
Really?
Oh, later, I'll come back. Yeah.
So ano mas masaya para sa inyo? Yung yung first bar or second bar?
The first bar was interesting.
Di ba no? Oo. Mabait pa si, what's his name? Suma?
Mazel.
It is second day here in Sapporo. Ayan, outfit check muna tayo. Fit check. Fit check. Oh, siya din. Fit check. Nakailang layer ka? Uy. Nakailang layer ka?
Sa t-shirt. Tatlo to.
Good luck. So, we're about to have our first snow experience here in Sapporo. With TWI family, Travel Warehouse Inc. Dito sa Bibay. So, they'll give you the bands like this one as proof na talagang you paid entrance here in Bibay, Snowland, here in Hokkaido. So, may mga sections, may kids park, may area for snowmobile. Kaya, pwede ka mag-bike. Sobrang dami nagaganap. Di ko alam kung ano unahin ko. Yung phone ko ba? Pang Reels? Pang YouTube dito? Or yung drone ba? Or photos muna? It's a challenge in itself. So we're stopping at a local parang stopover pag nag-out of town tayo sa atin. Parang mga SLEX, NLEX, ganun. Yeah. It's a huge conveni. Yan. So we're gonna try to use our gift cards na binigay nila sa atin. I think this is worth 3,000 yen. So malaki-laki na yun. No? Busog na tayo dun. En route to our hotel, and it's gonna take us about 2.5 hours, so perfect time to edit content and airdrop with this view, diba? We just arrived our hotel. Ganda dito pa lang sa hotel, ang ganda na ng view. Tignan mo. Oh. So, quick room tour tayo. We are onsen ready. Again, dapat left over right, not right over left. Kasi pag right over left, funeral yun. Left over right?
Left.
Ano ka ba? Kakasabi ko lang left over right. Kakasabi ko lang.
Tama.
Left over right. Yeah, no. Left. Palibasa left the group. It is day 3 here in Hokkaido. So good morning. Good morning, Ohayo gozaimasu. So ang pupuntahan natin ay 7-star trees, Asahikawa Ramen Village. Ang galing ng TWI, grabe. Kagabi pa lang sinenda nila yung itinerary. Actually, bago ka pa umalis, nasa yung itinerary, and then i-remind ka nila via Viber or any messaging app. So, 7-star tree, number 1. And then Asahikawa Ramen Village. And then Asahiyama Zoo. And then Heiwa Shopping Street, if time permits, nakalagay. Galing. Ayun. So, let's go! Yes. Tapos na tayo breakfast. Pakita ko sa inyo bukas yung breakfast. Tsaka yung dinner mamaya. Sarap, solid. Yes! So sa airport pala kami muna kasi sunduin namin si Kevin and then restroom break na rin namin lahat. Hi, Miss Irma.
Sorry ha, napaka-unprofessional ng producer. Kasi naroon, nagbigay si Miss
Nagbihis
Irma.
pa, si Irma,
Kasi pinangakuan niyo siya ng role dun sa
May
eksena,
linya
sir.
pa sana,
At nagpunta sa airport.
Sino
ha?
Irma ba siya?
Daldal.
Lapitan natin kahit medyo madulas, ingat na. Yung tree. So we are at the Ramen Village.
Yeah.
Yeah. So meron lang kami isang oras para kumain at kung gusto mo mag-ikot for shopping, o bahala. So
kain or shopping?
pili ka or a bit of both pwede. Basta 150 na sa bus na. Dito rin yung masarap na na Hokkaido soft serve dito din. So, just look for
Sino ang
Sumugi. Nothing beats
a Jet 2 holiday.
Hokkaido soft serve in this weather. Yung sobrang light lang ng snow. Parang nag-acclimate yung katawan mo, nag-a-adjust. Hindi mo na rin masyado mararamdaman yung lamig kasi malamig ka. Kaya tumugi. Sing lamig mo ang natsugi. Ang galing, may hot na na drink. Giorgio coffee. So, hindi naka-record. Ganda ng zoo na to, open lang siya, no? Tapos may mga section lang. DIY siya. Wala kang, kahit anong path ka mapunta, meron kang makikitang kakaibang animal na siguradong wala sa Pilipinas. Sakto 2:30, yung penguin walk. Ang saya siguro ng trabaho ng mga penguin. Babangon lang sila ng 2 beses sa isang araw, 11 at saka ng 2:30 para maglakad. Yun lang yung trabaho nila
Saan
sa
sila
zoo.
maglalakad?
Yan, sa harap mo. Sabayan ka maglakad. So everyone's running kasi nag-howl yung wolf. Ayun na, nag-yawn lang. Cheers! Di mo lang nag-cheers sa akin. Oo nga. Isa pa. 3, 2, 1. Cheers! So, quick tour ng kanilang dinner area, yung buffet nila. Dito meron silang Tornado beer. Yung glass nila for that. And then Yebisu na beer. Unlimited drinks basically, from coffee, hot and cold beverages, some appetizers, and then fresh pancakes na magwi-wave ka lang, tapos gagawa na siya ng pancakes na.
Ay, ano ba yun?
Nay, dito na ako. Tapos na yung trabaho ko, may dala akong pansit. Nay? Nay! Nay! Ano gumising ka? Nay, patsulita ka bigla. Taray! Kimchu! Kimchu kami! Kimchu yung nanay! Ang galing, grabe! Grabe! Natapon yung miso soup! Kasi nag-use your senses, eh nakita ko na chinita siya.
Aminin mo, kinilig ka.
Ay! Parang mali siya!
It's our 4th day here in Japan. Ohayo gozaimasu. So today, I think, isa sa mga pupunta natin, Roy's Chocolate Factory. Exciting. Grabe yung slope po. Apakaganda. Quick shoot tayo bago mag-breakfast. Magana yung labi ko. Sa lamig. Twin Turn Hokkaido! What can you say about our Hokkaido experience? Pula ng chicks mo!
Snowy.
Alright, first up. Ay, man, dulas. Lunch. Welcome to Roy's Chocolate Factory. Yeah, so it opens at 9 and closes at 6 p.m. Now, I know Swiss chocolate is the best, but iba rin naman ang chocolate dito sa Japan, specifically in Hokkaido, because of the milk they use also. So, ang kakao pala ng Roy's, it's from Colombia. They source it from Colombia, a farm in Colombia.
Uy, mukhang matanggal yan.
How many seeds are in a line? 30 to 40.
Lapit, lapit.
One more. That's a lot. What is the white part? What is the white part? Called flesh of fruit called. Oh. Which part is
Speak up proud. Inggit.
Inggit.
Bigyan ng ticket. Bigyan ng magawa. Wala siyang magawa. Matanggapin yung success mo.
youngster?
Kahit pa namang Maldita.
Which part?
Oh, here's the question.
Which part is used for making chocolate?
Sit.
Bud.
Galing. Ay, what's up? I think it's only right na marami talagang dadaanan. Kasi mahal din ng tsokolate nila. Kaya nga siya chocolate refinery, nire-refine yung chocolate. So marami siya talagang dadaanan. Siguro kaya rin siya mahal, they source different ingredients from different countries. So kung ano yung best from every country, they get it and then they make it into their ingredient here at Roy's Cacao and Chocolate Town. So after that exhibition, meron na akong free chocolate. Makita naman natin lahat ng mga naging rapper ng Roy's Chocolate. So this is their packaging archive. Iba-iba mga naging packaging ng Roy's. Ala. So how was your Roy's Chocolate and Cacao Town experience?
Very amazing.
Wala ibang adjective? Ano pa?
It's super
Chocolatey.
Nanahan mo ko.
Chocolatey and
super
cacao-y.
Cacao-y and super Rolls Royce.
Clock Tower. Welcome to Sapporo Clock Tower. So, view from our room. Yeah, we just checked in. Anong name ulit ng hotel natin? Ana Crown Plaza. So, this is the view. Ito muna yung bed namin. Ayan. It's comfortable. Very comfortable. And with this view of the city and it's snowing. Look at that. So, yeah. I love it, I love it, I love it. So, quick rest now. And then now we're off to dinner. So, dire-diretso na to. Mamaya. Nagbawas na ako ng damit para maramdaman naman natin yung mga huling sandali ng lamig dito sa Sapporo. Kanya-kanyang dalaga po. Tumapesa ni Mayo. Kanya-kanya kukuha ng drink kaya bibigyan ka ng baso. May upuan naman na sa loob. I think extra. May upuan. So nautusan naman tayo. Meeting room? Oo. Macam-macam sushi berbeda terbukui Nandekaya Buchiko asu Yuki no awa Wa ite kuru no wa. And that was such a wonderful trip.
and one for the books, a very memorable one. Maraming salamat Travel Warehouse Inc. family. Jai, salamat. Damandam ako. Grabe ang Hokkaido feels, and thank you for my Japan memories, my Hokkaido memories. Ayun, so see you on the next travel vlog. And doon sa mga interested dun sa Hokkaido package na ginawa namin, puntahan nila yung Instagram page ko, check out my reels, or pumunta kayo sa Turista Instagram page ng Travel Warehouse Inc. or sa Facebook nila. Or you can contact their number or email. Everything's provided in their social media pages. Literally on to the next one dahil palit maleta lang kami, and then punta na kami sa aming next destination, which is Sapa, Vietnam. See you on my next vlog. Bye! Sayonara!